animals.
Welcome to my farm.
Look at the farm animals. Let's go see them.
Where are you, my baby?
This cow is big.
Here I am, Mom. I was resting.
Her calf is small.
Buck, 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 buck. Come on, children, wake up. Buck, 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 buck.
This hen is big.
Yes, Mom.
Her chicks are small.
Oh, my cute babies.
This pig is big.
Hi, Mommy.
Her piglets are small.
That was a great run.
This horse is big.
Yeah, that was fun.
Her colt is small.
There you are, my little baby.
This sheep is big.
Mommy, I love you.
Her lamb is small.
Quack, 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 quack.
This duck is big. Her ducklings are small. Do you see the animals? Let's go see them.
Come on, all of you. Come on, come and get it. Feeding time.